Hello. Hello, Internet friends. My name is Tim Schrock from Design Build Solutions, bringing you today's Tech Tip Tuesday. I haven't done a Tech Tip Tuesday in a while, and I finally thought of a topic that we might dive into. And that topic today is conversions, unit conversions. And let's add a custom unit conversion and see how this goes. Let's get started. I have, for this unit conversion, I want to see acres for my lot area. You'll notice I've drawn the lot area here. And right in here, you'll see that I have 13,866.38 square feet in this polyline. And that is interesting. 13,866. What, here we go. Okay, why do I have two polylines here? CAD plot plan, and this one is layer boundary. Okay, I've got two polylines in this model for some reason. Let's zoom in on that one and open that up. 13,858.49. There we go. That is the polyline we'll work with. I am going to start out with, right up here, you'll notice preferences. In the Windows world, you'll go to Edit Preferences. In a Mac, you'll go to File Preferences, I believe it is. And that's what we want. Unit conversions right here is what we want on that panel. You'll notice right there is our unit conversions. And let's scooch up just a smidge here. I've got this new tool that I can zoom in so you can see what's going on. You'll notice in this list I've got square feet, square meters, square centimeters, but I don't have acres in this case. So let's add a unit conversion, and we're going to call this acre, A-C-R-E. It is an area measurement, and we're going to use square feet right here, square feet. And the unit is 43,560 square feet to an acre. If I tab, you'll notice right here, 1 acre equals 43,560 square feet. Okay, I'm going to click OK. And we will click OK here. And that is set. Now, I can do a convert to of this area in my label. I open the polyline specification, and we're going to go into the specify label here. And instead of area square feet, area brings up that 13,858 number. I could do area dot convert underscore to, in parentheses, I'm going to do colon acre. I think it's colon acre. Let's see what that does. There we go. So if we do the calculations of what was that? 13,858 divided by 43,560. We're going to get 0.318 acres. Look at that, 0.318 acres. Okay, now I want to do some additional what shall we say, additional manipulation here. So I'm going to do in the parenthesis, in the percent sign, I'm going to do dot round and parentheses 2. Lot area is 0.32. Okay. And lastly, go to my label again, and then I'm going to type acre outside of the percent sign there. 0.32 acres. If I want to, I can continue adding, say, a quote /n end quote, and then do area dot round 2 and then I'm going to do SF/SF. That didn't like that, huh? Okay, so let's do this. Instead of parentheses, I'm going to use just a single quote. It's not liking the new line label here, so let's do double single quote. Nope. Let's just remove that altogether. But it doesn't like that either. We have to do just one per, I think just one per thing here. Let's do this. Oh, I know what we can do. Yes. Okay. I'm going to do this. I could do it in both. That's what it was. Label, lot area, percent area dot convert to in parentheses :acre dot round 2 percentage, and then the word acre, and then my new line, I'm just going to do the percent area dot round 2 percent and then SF, and that will do what we need there. I hope this is helpful. Again, just quickly go to preferences, unit conversions, add your acre here. Now you can go back in and edit this, and I don't know why it converts to square meters. I'm going to go to square feet, make sure it's 43,560, save that, and that's what calculates that there. I hope this is helpful. If you like this information, if you find this education valuable, please click like and subscribe, and would you consider a small donation at paypal.me/designbuildsolutions. Until next time, have a great week. Thanks so much for watching.